Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to uninstall apps from your Airtel Xstream Android box. If you have unwanted apps taking up space, this guide will help you remove them easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Access Settings. First, turn on your Airtel Xstream Android box and navigate to Settings and open Settings Gear. This opens the main Settings menu. Scroll down and under System Settings tap Android Settings. Step 2. Open Apps section. Under Android Settings, scroll down using Remote and Open Apps. Find and select the app you want to uninstall from the list. Press Uninstall button and confirm by selecting OK when prompted. Your selected app will be uninstalled from the Airtel Xstream box. Repeat same steps to uninstall multiple apps by selecting one by one. And that's it. Your app is now uninstalled, freeing up space and decluttering your Airtel Xstream Android box. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.